Hello, this is trumpeter and educator Chris Brown. I hope you're having a wonderful day, enjoying music. And if you have not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. Push the subscribe button there for additional resources, videos, tutorials, other things that I put forth. If there's anything that you ever would like me to do a tutorial on or help you with, I would love to hear from you. So please reach out to me. You can also visit my website, Chris Brown, BRAUN trumpet.com, for some resources on my resources page, including PDF documents of lessons, a link for the Arbenz book, a link for the Clark Technical Studies book, a lot of documents there and helps for you, things that I use in my routine and to develop myself as well as my students. So if I could be a help to you, please let me know at any point in time. So today I want to talk to you about something briefly that I think will be a help to you, those of you especially struggling with some technique issues with your fingers. So often we neglect our technique with our fingers and we do things that affect our efficiency and in turn will affect our playing. What I mean is if you're playing a scale or something and your fingers are a little wishy-washy like this and you bounce your fingers quite a bit, you're not going to be as effective and you're not going to hit the note when you want to. This will make your playing ultimately be late quite often. So that's something I learned a number of years ago. A little technique that can help you on this is something you do each and every day for just a minute or two. I think that will be a help to you. So how do I get my fingers to be as efficient as possible? Now, many people deal with, they either put their finger here or on top of here. Either one of those is fine. I actually kind of go between both, but so it's an important, though, that you keep your finger either here or on top of here. But we're talking about technique with your fingers. So what can I do to improve my technique so I could be more efficient? Now, the great Doc Severinsen said his teacher used to say, bang down your valves. That is a very important thing to consider. So banging down your valves. But how can I get my fingers to be even more efficient so I'm not bouncing them? Well, simple solution. Get dimes, pennies, chips from bingo chips. Could be chips from buttons. Whatever they are, you can get those, put them on your valves. And before you play or after you play, whoops, I'm losing them already. See, look at that. They come off very easy. So you just kind of set them on your valves here. Make sure you balance it. Obviously, I had it crooked. And you're just going to put your fingers on here and try some fingering. Make sure your fingers are straight up and down and you're coming on your valves up above your valves. So just finger like 1 and 3 and 2. Kind of going between those and then maybe chromatic scale. Going around just different combinations. If you do this each day, maybe finger scale, like a B major scale, kind of a more complicated scale for us as far as fingering combination goes. Just finger through this. 2 and 1 and 3 is a really good combination to get your fingers to stop bouncing. Just do this each and every day. You're going to find that this will help your fingers to kind of get more acclimated to being on the valves. Once you do this, you'll find your fingers will just stay on the valves a lot more and they won't bounce. Bouncing is where we lose efficiency. And you know, I'm all today for efficiency in what I do because I don't want to be thinking about my valves, my fingers not coming down at the right time. I don't want to be thinking about any of these external things. I have enough to worry about, and I know you do too as a trumpet player. We have a lot to think about. So try this each day. Like I said, it could be pennies, dimes, it could be buttons, whatever it is. Put those on your valves, balance it out, and just put them on there and try to finger. You'll find that once you get back to playing the trumpet and fingering without the buttons or valves or the money on there, you'll find your fingers will stick on the valves. They'll just naturally want to be on the valves a lot more often than they were before. So keeping your fingers nice and straight up and down and doing that, it will help your efficiency each day. So I hope this was a help to you. If you have any other questions, you want to reach out to me, please subscribe to this channel. Please reach out to me through my website. I'd love to hear from you. If you'd like me to give a clinic or whatever, I would love to meet up with you as well. So I do things online, in person as well. So have a wonderful day. Thank you for checking out this video. I hope this was a help to you, and I look forward to touching base with you in the near future. Thank you.